Good morning everyone. Nothing better illustrates the resilience of the people of Ocado than the recovery from the devastating Andover fire and the reopening of the facility as a state-of-the-art robotic customer fulfillment centre just 2 years later. Andover, you will recall, was our OSP prototype CFC, opened in November 2016 with capacity for 65,000 orders per week. The loss of this facility reduced our capacity by 20%, half of which we were already using and half of which we were planning to grow into. The extraordinary work of our colleagues from across the business minimised any impact to our customers, squeezing more capacity out of our existing CFCs, redistributing delivery operations and building a new spoke on the Andover site in 10 weeks at record speed to maintain deliveries, required at times a superhuman effort. But the success of our efforts meant that despite the loss of capacity, Ocado finished 2019 as the fastest growing food retailer in the UK, according to Kantar. At the same time, we immediately began to think about rebuilding the facility and fulfilling our commitments to the local community as an important employer and corporate citizen. And so here we are, 2 years later, with a new Andover set to process its first outbound orders next month, a phoenix rising almost literally from the ashes. And as we recommence operations, we are delighted to be welcoming back 150 of our colleagues who were working with us 2 years previously. Now, of course, Ocado does not stand still, and this new Andover CFC will be better than the prototype it replaces. You will see a facility with a layout built to our specifications, and like Bristol, you will see the 500 series bots on the grids, a machine designed with fewer and interchangeable components with lower maintenance costs than previous generations. You will also see the latest generation pick station, which enables us to optimise the flow of work to and from the personal shoppers, meaning we can operate more consistently with better productivity. The new site will also be set up for more direct deliveries of customer orders and will be integrated with our CFC digital twin, opening up new opportunities for continued optimisation. What this will all mean is higher capital efficiency, a significantly faster ramp to its new capacity of 60,000 orders per week, and better productivity both during the ramp-up period and at maturity. At maturity, we expect productivity, as measured by UPH, units shipped per labour hour within the four walls of the CFC, to be at least 20% greater than what we would have expected from the original site. The result being the new Andover will be more capital efficient than its predecessor and more efficient, scalable and flexible than before. The sign of a great company is how it responds to adversity, and this is all about the people and culture of a business. The rebuilding of Andover is proof of the commitment, creativity and focus on execution that characterises the way we work at Ocado. It's truly inspiring, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of my colleagues who have helped make this happen.
Hi, my name's Joe. I'm an area manager of dispatch here in CFC3. So our inbound has just gone live. I'm currently stood here in dispatch. A little bit quiet at the minute, but come August, this is going to be ramped and ready to go, and we can't wait.
Inbound.
Hey.
Freezer. Dispatch. We're ready to go live.
Thank you.